From 5 News, I'm meteorologist Stephen Elmore. Very comfortable weekend this weekend. That cold front came through yesterday evening, and now we're left with cooler air and no cloud coverage as that cold front cleared it all out, left with lots of sunshine for both Saturday and Sunday. Daytime highs expected to reach up into those low to mid 70s across northwest Arkansas. Winds coming from the northeast about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Could see wind gusts up around 15 miles per hour. Across the river valley, we're going to see those temperatures into those mid to upper 70s, some low 80s by the time we get to the end of the weekend. Overall, though, much cooler and going to see lots of sunshine at least through the midweek, and then we start to see some rain chances start to coming back in the forecast. So it's going to be much cooler. It's going to be a comfortable pattern. The one thing we have to watch out for is those chilly mornings are back now. Temperatures going to be starting off into those upper 40s, low 50s for our Sunday morning. Going to see some of those mid 50s across the river valley. But overall, you might need that light jacket as you head out the door because it's a little bit uncomfortable outside into the morning hours. Definitely not the t-shirt and shorts weather anymore. The reason we're going to see lots of sunshine over the next several days, we've got a high pressure system setting up over the central United States. That's going to result in lots of sunshine and also less active outside as well. Not expecting a lot of rain chances until we get late into the work week as that high pressure system starts to shift off towards the east. And we're going to be seeing some low chances start to come back late into this upcoming work week. Of course, it was a comfortable start for the Hogs game today. Temperatures kicked off at around those mid to low 70s for the game today. Heading into tomorrow morning, we're going to be seeing temperatures even cooler into those upper 40s, low 50s across northwest Arkansas, across the river valley into those low to mid 50s. Again, you might need that light jacket as you head out the doors Sunday morning because it's going to be a little bit chilly outside. If you're one to leave the windows open overnight, it might be a little bit more uncomfortable as you wake up for tomorrow morning. Daytime highs heading into our Sunday, a little bit cooler than today as well. Temperatures only expected to reach up into those mid to upper 70s across northwest Arkansas. Winds still coming down from the northeast, gusting up around 15 miles per hour. Across the river valley, we're going to be seeing that cooler air really start to sink down. Temperatures anywhere between those mid to upper 70s. Some low 80s could be seen tomorrow afternoon during the peak heating hour. 76 in Alma, 77 in Mulberry, 78 in Ozark, 80 in Fort Smith, 78 in Spiro, 78 in Greenwood, 78 in Hackett, 77 down to Mansfield, 78 in Boonville, and 79 there in Clarksville. Very comfortable afternoon heading into Sunday to end our amazing weekend. What also the cold front did for us, really, it filtered in the cooler air, cleared out the cloud coverage, and also took away the humidity, what little we had heading into Friday. Dew point values for Sunday only going to reach up into those upper 40s and low 50s. That's that humidity outside. You're not going to feel any to end the weekend. Very comfortable fall-like day to end the weekend. Future wind gusts for tomorrow, similar to what we had for today. Again, mainly you're going to see those winds blowing at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Very light. Could see those gusts up to 15 miles per hour heading into tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at those highs over the next couple of days, really into those low to mid 70s for Sunday. Start to warm back up by the time we get to the midweek, back up into those low 80s. Very comfortable outside still. Then we start to see temperatures start to get a little bit more mild towards the end of this upcoming work week. That's due to some very low rain chances by the time we get to the end of the week. Across the river valley for tomorrow, temperatures into those upper 70s, low 80s. Low 80s stick around for Monday. Temperatures warm up briefly for the midweek. And then those rain chances start to come in towards the end of the week. That's going to result in temperatures being pretty comfortable outside. Thursday, Friday should only see those highs back up into those low 80s, and that's heading into next weekend as well. Again, what we mentioned is we don't have to watch out for a lot of rain chances over the next couple of days. Really, what we're going to be looking out for is the fact that it's going to be a little chilly in the morning hours. Across northwest Arkansas, temperatures only starting off into those mid to upper 40s, low 50s, at least through Monday morning as you head out the door back to work. Again, you might need to bring that light jacket. It's going to be uncomfortable a little bit, Still comfortable outside, but just a different pattern than what we've seen. Those cooler days are going to be starting off at least through the midweek. Temperatures start to warm back up into those low 60s by the time we get to the end of this upcoming work week. Those low to mid 50s across the river valley through Tuesday. Wednesday, we should start to notice the difference. Temperatures starting off in the morning hours back up into the 60s. So that cold front came through. It ushered in all this cooler air through the weekend. Now as we get closer towards the rest of the week, start to see that warmer air start to shift back in, but overall it's not going to be very uncomfortable, really just hanging around into those upper 70s, low 80s. Could see a system come out of the Gulf, providing some rain chances later on this upcoming work week. Here's a look at those rain chances again, mainly with this high pressure system that we have. We're going to see plenty of sunshine almost every day until we get to around Wednesday, Thursday. That's when we start to see some changes coming back into the forecast. We could start to see some low rain chances by the time we get to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right now, about a 10-20% chance for those showers. Again, we'll start to track it as we get a little bit closer to those rain chances. Right now, it doesn't look like there will be much of any impact. Overall, just bring down temperatures just a little bit. For this time of year, we're going to start to warm up just a bit. Usually we start to, when we're talking about that cooler air coming in, we see a lot of this blue, but we're honestly getting pretty close to the first day of fall, which is September 23rd. So again, this is the average temperatures from the Climate Prediction Center. So we're seeing a lot of that red because we're getting a little bit later in the year. So these temperatures a little bit above average coming up in the next 6 to 10 days. Northwest Arkansas, over the next 7 days, temperature is going to be into those 70s, really upper 70s by the time we get into the work week. And then once we get closer towards late into the week, temperatures going to be into those low 80s. Some rain chances start to sneak back in Thursday, Friday into the weekend. Overall, though, mainly looking very low impact. Just could be a scattered shower or two. Really, this cold front, that's the big story that came in this to end the work week heading into this weekend and now into early this upcoming work week. Temperatures only going to be into those mid to upper 70s and those low 80s. Again, morning temperatures, at least to me, the bigger news. Waking up this morning, heading out the door, it was a bit chilly outside. For some, might need that light jacket as you head out the door. Across the river valley, temperatures into those upper 70s, low 80s, at least for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures start to warm back up slightly Tuesday, Wednesday, and those rain chances start to come back in. That's going to provide some relief by a few degrees. Overall, though, very, very fall-like forecast the rest of this work week. Some low rain chances, cooler air becoming more normal now, getting used to the cooler mornings now. Starting to see some of those leaves change as well. Overall, not expecting much of any impacts this week. Going to see lots of sunshine, cooler air. Overall, very comfortable, not only for this weekend, but heading into early this upcoming work week. From 5 News, I'm meteorologist Stephen Elmore. That's your 5+ extended forecast.